Everyone, it's Louise again from Louise Handcrafts, and I'm going to do another unboxing today of my second Temu delivery. Today my second parcel arrived this morning and it's a little bit bruised and battered in the packaging, so not sure what it's going to be like on the inside, but I do know what's inside it and I'm excited to open it and start using it because I'm in the process of making a whole lot of these for my baby gift boxes that I make. So a bit cold in Melbourne today, a bit chilly, so you might hear the sound of the aircon in the background, so apologise for that. Alright, let's get stuck into it. Now, this was a little bit impulsive. I did the other one the other day and thought, okay, yep, looks good, so I went ahead and bought some other stuff that well, they're things that I need, it's not things that I want. So I thought I'd do a bit of a comparison between that, and I also shop on AliExpress, Amazon, and local stores, big local fabric stores. So I thought I'll give Temu a second go. Alright. Now, each jam-packed. So what's the first thing? Right, so I was after the 14mm silicone beads that are BPA free, because they've got to be BPA free in the teethers. And I don't know which one is which. Type 2. Yeah. So I've got 2 packets here. One's supposed to have 60 in it and the other one's supposed to have 50. This one feels a little bit heavier, so that must be the 60. This one must be the 50. I also got some, they're dropping all over the floor. And the bottom's fallen out of the bag. Okay, not a good start. So the bottom has fallen out of the bag. So, alright, I don't know how many fell on the floor, but alright, so the bottom's open, may as well just pour out a few and have a look. Yes, they are nice sizes, they are nice colours. There's some different shapes in here as well. So I've got, these are the ones I'm currently using. So you can see that's quite a lot smaller. This is one of the ones that was in the packet. So that's the right size. This is supposed to be 14mm, but this looks like it's a mixed packet. So, and the bottom's broken, so I don't know how many have spilt out. I'll have to wait and see when I count them later. The other one is, I deliberately bought these. These were the hexagon shapes because I didn't know whether I was going to get hexagon in those, because I thought they were all supposed to be round. I have to go and check on that later. Alright, no, so if I looked at the 50 mixed coloured beads, that was $10.48 for a pack of 50, if that's the right packet. These ones were $9.98 for a packet of 60. Maybe I've got them around the wrong way, but it's still quite cheap, and they're BPO free, so that's one of the main things. I'm back again. Yes, my split bag. There are 60 beads in the packet. They are 3 different sizes: hexagon, a small bead, and a large bead. Nice pretty colours. Yes, So they were $9.98 for the 60 beads, and these are the BPA free beads. So that's the first packet. So the second packet is the 14mm beads, which are the hexagon ones, which I've already got a lot of now. So I'm doing a few hexagon things because wooden beads, there are 50 pieces of these. Yep, a little bit smaller than I wanted, but they're in the packet. They look okay. Got a good size hole for threading, so they're fine. They were $3.14 for the packet. Right, so the other thing I need for my teething rings is, there's a couple of things I need for my teething rings. So this looks here like it's going to be the unfinished rings, and this is a mixed pack. So these are unfinished. There's 50 pieces in this. It was $12.49. So 6 up. Doesn't got 50 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 pieces. And it's not 50, which is what I'll pay for. So 3 sizes. I think there's actually 4 sizes. Sizes. So, okay, so next thing that was on the list was some zipper tape. 4.5 meters of zipper tape with 10 zipper heads and fixes. And I'm buying zipper tape all the time, so it'd be interesting to see what this quality is like compared to what I normally buy. It feels very thin for a start. Now this is a rainbow. This is 4.5 meters with 10 zipper heads for $8.48. And it's rainbow. It looks beautiful. It looks really good. It feels nice, but it says that it's nylon. So I'll measure it. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. Good on. That's correct. The zipper pulls that are on the top, similar to the ones that I use, but they don't look as near as good a quality, the finish on them. That it's, you can see that a little bit clippy up the top, a bit thinner. And these are number 5, which is what I use in the bags. So, and it's got a donut hole on the top. But I mean, what can you expect for the price that it was? The tape works out to $2 something a metre without the zipper heads and the pulls. And normally these things are quite expensive when you're buying zipper tape by the yard or by the metre. Okay, next item was 50. That was a pack of 5 rotary blades. So open that. This is for the 45mm rotary cutter. I use a couple of different types, so I use Fiskars as well as the little yellow one called, I can never remember what it is. But yeah, they look okay. They actually feel quite thick and strong, so it'd be interesting to see what they cut like. I'll go through a few of those, as we all do. Okay, so that was in the packet, so I can tick that off. So that's done. That's done, that's done, that's done, that's done, that's done. And the last one was the thread for the boot, for the teething rings. See, I'm stupid or woman, aren't I? I can't even speak. Unzip a plastic bag. Okay. Now, I wanted the stuff that's not stretchy. You don't want a stretchy teething ring because it stretches, the beads might come off. You need the firm stuff so that it does not break and so that they become, you don't want your teething rings to be a choking hazard on those beautiful little babies. So it looks okay. There was, I don't know how many meters this was supposed to be, but I'm going to get a strand of this out. It looks quite thin. I'll make a video later on the use of all of these things that I have purchased today and let you know how they all compared to the others, but I'm probably, by the look of this, I'm going to use a double strand. So, okay, that's my latest Temu unboxing. Make of it what you will, but I spent $50. Did I get my $50 worth? Two things come to mind. Is the pack of the mixed beads that had the small beads in it, and the wooden rings. There was supposed to be 50 of them. I'll have to get onto them about that. But I will let you know how they all sew up and knit up and crochet up and whatever else I'm going to be doing with them. I'll let you know how they all go. Thanks very much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you've had the same experiences as what I have. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching. Hi, it's Louise again. Just an update to the earlier video. I've finally unwound the thread. Yeah, it's really good. It's not stretchy. It's going to be very firm, so I'm very happy with that. I rechecked my packing slip or my order with the wooden rings, and I did order only 25, so there's 5 in each size. So there's 5 different sizes, so that's fine. I recounted the beads, and yes, there are 60 in that. That's fine. And I got a free gift with it that was, I played that game Fishland, and all I selected as a free gift was a pair of scissors, hair thinning scissors, because I cut everybody's hair in our household, and I thought these could be good. They are crap, sorry, but look how thick they are. They are super thick. When you go to cut something, no, I don't think I'll be picking that for my free gift. I think the next time and the little finger holes are coming out of them, so they're not good. So I don't think I'll be picking those as a free gift again, because quite honestly I'm probably just going to throw them in the bin. They weren't any good at all. So that's a wrap. I better get to work. See you again some other time.